Construction record. Use an excavator or loader to transport the prefabricated arch frame to the surface. Equipment entry. Remote control operation to deploy the arm and prepare for construction. According to the measurement situation, control the braking hammer on the arm frame, under excavation treatment and hazard mitigation measures. Remote control operation of the middle arm to clamp the arch section. Lift the arch section to the install position. Simultaneously clamp the steel arches on both sides of the left and right arm supports. Lift it to the left and right installation positions. Simultaneously connect the left and right ends of the third grade arch in the air. After the arch docking is completed, use an electric wrench to tighten the bolts. Due to the pre-installation of multiple arches, personnel operate under the protection of steel mesh. Greatly reduced security risks. Adjust through arm support. Use a laser pen to determine the install position of the arch frame. Measure and determine the spacing between arches. Make it meet the construction requirements. After connecting the 3 arches, weld the remaining mesh and connecting bars as required. Adopting a multi-prefabricated arch installation method, the production of arches reduces the working time inside the cave. Greatly enhance the safety guarantee of construction personnel. The lifting force of the middle arm is 3 tons. Folding arches can also be made for construction in the later stage. Further improve efficiency and safety. After the welding of the mesh is completed, carry out anchor rod operation according to design requirements. 312M equipped with dual anchor rod system. The maximum drilling depth can reach is 4.5 meters. The left and right arm can simultaneously lock the left and right corner anchor rods. Arch waist arch system anchor rod. Advanced small conduits. Greatly shorten construction time, improve construction efficiency. 3 arch frames and anchor rod operations completed. Retract the arm frame. Equipment departure.